You might think your car already has everything you need, but wait until you see these incredible upgrades. From smart tech that transforms your dashboard into a futuristic command center to clever accessories that make every drive more comfortable, these gadgets are changing the way people experience their vehicles. Some of these products improve safety. Some add luxury features normally found in expensive cars. And a few are so innovative that you'll wonder why they aren't included with every vehicle from the factory. Today, we're counting down 15 next-level car gadgets that are exploding in popularity online right now. Make sure you stick around until the end because the final gadgets on this list are absolutely insane. If you see something you like, you'll find all the links waiting for you in the description below. Now let's jump right in. LED cup holder lights. Your car may perform perfectly on the road, but when night falls, the interior can still feel plain and outdated. That's why so many drivers are upgrading with LED cup holder lights. This simple accessory instantly adds a premium atmosphere to your cabin. Just place the lights inside your cup holders and watch your interior come alive with beautiful ambient lighting. Whether you prefer soft glowing effects, breathing animations, or color-changing modes, these lights create a much more luxurious nighttime driving experience. The installation couldn't be easier. No wiring, no tools, no complicated setup. Simply charge them using USB, place them in position, and you're ready to go. But here's what makes them even better. These lights automatically turn on when your vehicle starts moving and power down when the car stops. That means they feel more like a factory-installed feature rather than an aftermarket accessory. With multiple lighting modes and 7 different colors available, you can customize the look to match your mood, your music, or your vehicle's style. Before adding them, your interior feels ordinary. After adding them, every evening drive feels cleaner, more modern, and significantly more enjoyable. For such a small upgrade, the difference is surprisingly impressive. Wireless CarPlay adapter. If your car already supports CarPlay, there's a good chance you're still dealing with the same annoying problem. Cables. Every time you get into your vehicle, you're plugging in your phone, untangling wires, and waiting for everything to connect. That's exactly where the Gemlu's wireless CarPlay adapter comes in. This compact device converts your wired CarPlay setup into a fully wireless system within minutes. Simply plug it in once, pair your iPhone, and from then on, everything connects automatically whenever you start the car. No extra apps, no complicated installation, no frustrating setup process. Your maps, music, phone calls, Siri commands, and messages all work exactly as they did before, just without the cable. But the most impressive part is the upgraded Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology. The connection is incredibly fast and reliable, even when your phone stays inside your pocket or bag. Before using it, your dashboard feels cluttered and outdated. After installing it, your vehicle instantly feels cleaner, smarter, and much more modern. And once you experience wireless CarPlay, it's hard to imagine going back. Mini car vent cooling fan. Have you ever turned your air conditioning all the way up and still felt uncomfortable? Maybe the airflow never reaches your face properly. Maybe your backseat passengers are still sweating. Or maybe your pets struggle to stay cool during long drives. The DIC M-Car vent cooling fan is designed to solve that problem. This compact fan attaches directly to your vehicle's air vent and helps distribute cool air exactly where it's needed most. Whether it's your face, passengers, pets, or rear seating area, the difference is noticeable almost immediately. Thanks to its 360-degree rotating design, you can easily direct airflow in any direction. No more fighting weak vents or uneven cooling. But here's what really stands out. Despite its performance, the fan operates surprisingly quietly. You'll barely hear it running, but you'll definitely feel the extra airflow. It also includes colorful ambient lighting that gives your interior a more modern appearance at night. Simply connect it through USB and you're ready to go. Before using it, summer driving feels uncomfortable. After installing it, your cabin cools faster and every drive becomes far more enjoyable. If hot weather is a constant battle, this upgrade is worth considering. Steering wheel desk tray. Eating lunch inside your car sounds simple until you actually try it. Your food slides around, your laptop has nowhere stable to sit, and somehow your phone always disappears between the seats. The steering wheel desk tray solves all of those problems. This clever accessory instantly transforms your parked vehicle into a convenient workstation or dining space. Simply attach the tray to your steering wheel and you'll have a stable surface for eating, working, writing, or organizing your essentials. When you're finished, it folds away neatly without taking up much room. Many versions also include useful storage features that help keep your phone, keys, wallet, and small items organized. But what makes this accessory stand out is its premium appearance. The carbon fiber-inspired finish blends naturally into modern vehicle interiors and looks far better than most portable car accessories. Before using it, your vehicle is simply transportation. After using it, your car becomes a mobile office, workspace, and dining area all in one. For people who spend a lot of time on the road, it's a surprisingly useful upgrade. Digital tire pressure gauge. Most drivers don't think about tire pressure until something feels wrong. Unfortunately, by that point, you're already risking poor fuel economy, uneven tire wear, and potentially dangerous driving conditions. That's why a reliable tire pressure gauge is such an important tool. The ETENT 300 digital tire pressure gauge delivers accurate readings within seconds. Whether you drive a compact car, SUV, pickup truck, or RV, it helps you monitor tire pressure with confidence. Instead of guessing whether your tires are properly inflated, you'll know exactly where they stand. It performs accurately in both extreme heat and freezing temperatures, making it useful throughout the year. But here's the impressive part. This tool is built to handle serious abuse. It's incredibly durable and designed for long-term reliability. A built-in LED light also makes nighttime pressure checks much easier. Before owning it, tire maintenance feels like a guessing game. After owning it, checking tire pressure becomes a quick habit that can save money, improve safety, and extend tire life. For such a small device, the benefits are huge. 9-in-1 car charger splitter, one charging port never seems to be enough. You've got a phone running navigation, passengers charging devices, a dash cam recording, and maybe even other accessories pulling power at the same time. Before long, everyone is competing for the same outlet. That's where the Joy 9-in-1 car charger splitter becomes incredibly useful. This powerful device transforms a single cigarette lighter socket into a complete charging station for your entire vehicle. Phones, tablets, laptops, dash cams, portable coolers, air pumps, and more can all be powered simultaneously. One of the standout features is the built-in retractable cables. Instead of dealing with tangled wires hanging throughout the cabin, you simply pull the cable when needed and retract it when finished. The result is a cleaner and more organized interior. But here's where things get even better. The charger supports fast charging for multiple devices while also displaying your vehicle's battery voltage in real time. That means you can monitor battery health and potentially spot issues before they leave you stranded. Before using it, your car feels cluttered and underpowered. After installing it, everything feels more organized, modern, and road trip ready. If you regularly travel with passengers or multiple gadgets, this upgrade quickly becomes essential. Portable tire inflator. A slightly low tire might not seem like a big deal. Most people notice it and simply keep driving, hoping it isn't serious. Unfortunately, that's exactly how small problems become major headaches. The Astra IL7 portable tire inflator helps eliminate that risk. This compact cordless inflator stays inside your vehicle and is ready whenever you need it. No gas station, no waiting, no complicated setup. Simply select your desired pressure, press a button, and let the device do the work. It automatically fills the tire and stops when the target pressure is reached. The process is simple, fast, and surprisingly convenient. It works on cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and even sports equipment. But here's the impressive part. The system monitors pressure hundreds of times every second, helping maintain exceptional accuracy throughout the inflation process. There's also a built-in light for emergencies and the ability to provide backup charging for your phone when needed. Before owning it, a low tire could ruin your day. After owning it, it becomes a quick fix that takes only a few minutes. It's one of those tools you hope you never need, but you'll be extremely glad it's there when you do. Dog back seat. Extender traveling with a dog can be fun. Cleaning up afterward usually isn't. Hair covers the seats, mud ends up everywhere. And every sharp turn sends your dog sliding across the back seat. The dog back seat extender changes that completely. This heavy-duty seat cover transforms the rear seating area into a large, secure space where your dog can relax comfortably during every trip. Instead of dealing with dangerous gaps between seats, your pet gets a stable platform to stretch out and enjoy the ride. The reinforced base can support large dogs with ease, making it suitable for nearly every breed. The waterproof surface protects against mud, dirt, drool, shedding, and unexpected accidents. Cleaning takes only a few seconds, but one of the smartest features is the side door protection. These panels help prevent scratches while still allowing your dog to enjoy the view outside. Before using it, road trips feel messy and stressful. After installing it, your vehicle stays cleaner and your dog stays more comfortable. For pet owners, it's a game-changing upgrade. Smart OBD to gauge display modern cars contain an incredible amount of information. The problem is that most drivers never get to see it. By the time a warning light appears, the issue may already be serious. That's where the ULFIX7 Smart OBD 2 gauge display comes in. This compact display plugs directly into your vehicle and provides real-time performance information while you drive. Engine load, fuel consumption, coolant temperature, boost pressure, vehicle speed, and much more. Instead of guessing how your vehicle is performing, you'll have live data available at a glance. But the customization options are what truly make this gadget stand out. You can personalize layouts, colors, gauges, and display styles to match your preferences. Some setups even allow custom logos for an even more factory-inspired appearance. The result feels less like an accessory and more like a premium digital cockpit upgrade. Before installing it, driving feels disconnected. After installing it, you're constantly informed about what your vehicle is doing. For car enthusiasts, it's a fascinating addition.